Hold this leg here, push up. Good, relax. And the left leg, push up. And you got a lot of push up. You shouldn't leave somewhere and think, I can't walk.
Yeah.
Most of my patients say, I want to see a guy.
Yeah.
No, it's like he said, look, you'll be in pain for 4 days and you'll be fine.
Yeah.
It's like, no one wants to be in pain for 4 days.
No.
Right, hold this leg here. Right, do this left side here. Hold that. This leg again. Hold it here, nice and strong. Push up. Fine, let that go. Left leg. Hold it there, push up. Okay. Come your side facing me this way. Right, so that's all this. And how is training going?
Oh, so fit. So fit.
Relax this leg.
Because it's such a short amount of time, I was like, fuck, I've gone like mad at it.
Yeah.
And I'm fit and I feel fit than I've ever been. It's weird. But I'm not cancelled the fight because of these French and they've got quarantine on homes.
And back again. Lift this leg up again. Straight, lock it, push. On. Become side. Okay. This side here. Come onto your side facing this way, please. And so weight wise, where are you at?
82, got 4 kilos in 10 days.
How'd you do that? Just train like a man.
Stop eating fucking shit and
Superstar.
And burn 700 calories before bed, you know what I mean?
Yeah. That's it, shall let me come with that. Not gonna fall on with it. Good. And back.
Yeah, doing things like that, were, like, because I found it yesterday at number 5,
Push.
it's amazing.
Hold that there. Push. Good.
Found out at 5 yesterday, so I was like a bit deflated.
Yeah.
And I thought, nah, I'm going to do this. I'm going to keep pushing. It's only going to be good for me, do you know what I mean? So yeah, I want to smash it out.
Start from this. Good. And here. Push. Oh. Pass from this one here. Lock this elbow, make a fist. Stop it going down. Hold this on here. Relax. Okay. Relax everything. This one here. Hold this on here, make it nice and comfortable. Look, I can't use brute force, it don't work. It doesn't exist.
How much do you weigh? Like 60 kilos, 65?
Look, I wish mate 70.
Oh, really?
72.
Yeah.
This here.
You've got to fight less than what you weigh.
No.
I'm fighting 70 kilos. That's what I need to get down to.
Enough. Fine, relax all of that there.
It's insane, isn't it?
It is. There's a little stiffness up here. So we're not going to adjust this left side because we don't need to.
Yeah.
This left leg
I
Take a
was,
seat, swing legs round. Back to the centre. And do that with the left arm. This one's it. Lay on your side, left side down. So you've got less movement in the right.
right shoulder, that's not been operating on.
So bring this elbow towards me. That's why as well, you don't want to be pounding the body all the time because then they can't recover.
Yeah.
So they do what they're supposed to do.
Yeah.
It's different. So if you're a desk worker, I'll smash your body out and do all this scraping and cupping and everything.
Yeah.
All you're doing is being at work, so you deal with it.
Yeah.
But if you've got all this, if you have all of that, and the day after,
It fucks the nervous system as well.
yeah, if the day after you then need to go and train and you're buzzing, don't look too good, does it? Off count, yeah, fine. But someone's in count, you don't want to be battering the body at all. In training or outside. Sit down again. Maybe stop up. Bring that arm back as far as you can.
Feels less tight on the shoulder there. I felt it there really.
Yeah. Relax. Bring that back, bring that back, bring that back. A bit more, come on. There it is. Make fist, spin it that way. Good. Now repeat that. Good. That's it, that's the one. Nice. Couple more.
Is that popping?
That's just tight muscle, and that's the fascial stuff. Which is fine. And relax that. Cross both legs like this. Yep, perfect. Put them down. Cross your arms. A bit like this. And turn to the left. Now let's turn to the right. There's the left again. Let's go to the right.
When I do that side, it like, this muscle just
Kicks in.
that tends to almost cramps.
Shuffle down a little further this way. Give yourself a big hug. Get some moving through these dogs.
Do you drink?
Yeah.
What do you drink?
Whiskey and wine.
Oh, you always